We begin this practice by finding a comfortable, safe place to lie down, where you can be undisturbed and supported for the duration of this practice. Your comfort is of the most importance, so please take your time to make your posture and space as comfortable as you need. Removing jewelry, hair bands, and anything that might draw your attention away from your relaxation. In a reclined, supported position, bring your awareness to your feet. Point your toes, flex the ankles, and then release. Tighten your thighs so much that the feet lift off the ground, and then release your legs heavy onto the floor. Squeeze your glutes. Feel the tension in your butt, and then release it entirely. Engage both legs, firming up all your muscles, and then soften completely. As much as you're engaging these parts of your body, be sure to release them just as much. Squeeze your hands into fists, then stretch your fingers as wide as you can. Then entirely relax your hands. Engage your arms, feel your arms stiff, then let go. Squeeze your jaw and all the muscles in your face. Then relax all the muscles in your face, including the tongue. Squeeze your entire body. Engage all your muscles. Relax and release everything. Take a deep breath in. And then sigh the breath out. Bring your awareness to your breath. Observe your breath moving in and out of your body. Inhale and exhale. Take a few breaths, simply observing the natural movement and rhythm of your breathing. Your breath pattern doesn't have to follow mine. Breath work is a deeply personal practice. We have innate wisdom in our breath, and each individual has a unique breath to themselves. We will start to silently chant the mantra, so hum, with the breath. As you breathe in, say to yourself, so. As you breathe out, say to yourself, hum. Inhaling, so. Exhaling, hum. So, on the inhale, hum. On the exhale, letting the words, the sounds, ride the breath. Continue the so hum, breathing to your own rhythm of breath. So, hum, so, Feel these sounds connected to your rhythm of breathing. Take a deep breath in. And exhale completely, let the breath go. And do that 4 more times. 1 for your body, inhale. Exhale. 1 for your mind, inhale. Exhale. 1 for your heart, inhale. Exhale. And 1 for your spirit. Inhale. Exhale. Now let it go. Allow for your breath to be natural. Follow the breath in and out and relax. Create no tension while breathing in and while breathing out. Our breath accompanies us throughout our lives. So here, for these few moments, we can develop a relationship with our breath. Feeling how it moves in the physical body. Allow for your mind to be absorbed in your breath. For our Yoga Nidra practice, the only thing to remember is to follow my voice with heartfelt attention. If you find your thoughts wandering, concentrate your attention on my voice and my directions. It's perfectly natural and normal for the mind to wander. Know that you can always bring your focus back to the Yoga Nidra practice by finding my voice. I will now guide you through a body scan by naming body parts. As I name a body part, bring a relaxed attention to it, imagining a soft yellow light there. Try to not linger in that place of the body, but following this guided awareness of the physical body. Beginning at the crown of the head, the center of the forehead, your right eyebrow, eye socket, cheekbone, eyeball, muscles behind the eye, your left eyebrow, eye socket, cheekbone, eyeball, muscles behind the left eye, the bridge of the nose, the tip of your nose, right nostril, left nostril, right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, bottom lip, both lips together, your teeth, inside the mouth, inside the right cheek, inside the left cheek. The tongue, your chin, the whole jaw, the right ear, and left ear, inside the ears, in the middle of the head, all the muscles in your face, the whole head, the whole head, the center of the throat, the neck muscles, the right collarbone and shoulder blade and shoulder, the right upper arm, elbow, forearm, right wrist, back of the hand, palm of the hand, the right thumb, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, the tips of all of the fingers, all of your fingernails, all 5 fingers together, the whole right hand, the whole right arm, your left collarbone, left shoulder blade, shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, left wrist, back of the hand, palm of the hand, left thumb, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, all of your fingertips, all of your fingernails, all 5 fingers, the whole left hand, and the whole left arm. Center of your forehead, center of your throat, the center of your chest, the solar plexus, the belly button, the pubic bone, all the organs in your stomach, right lung, moving with the breath, right waist and hip, groin, right thigh, knee, shin, top of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and pinky, the tips of your toes, all of your toenails, all 5 toes together, the bottom of the foot, the heel, the right calf, behind the knee, the hamstring, the right glute, whole right leg, the left lung, moving with the breath, the left waist, hip, groin, left thigh, knee, shin, left ankle, top of your foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and pinky, the tips of the toes, all of the toenails, the bottom of your foot, the heel, the left calf, behind the knee, the hamstring, left glute, your whole left leg, all 10 toes, your right and left foot, relaxing both legs entirely, your right arm and left arm together, relaxing, your arms and your legs together, softening, the back of the head, the right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, upper back, middle back, lower back, both hips on the floor, the backs of the calves, the backs of your heels, the back of your right arm, the back of your left arm, the whole backside of your body together, the entire front side of your body, the entire backside of your body together, the whole body relaxing together. Reconnect to your natural, effortless breath. No technique, simply observe the natural state of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. As you inhale, say to yourself, in. As you exhale, say to yourself, out. Continue to breathe and start to count backwards from 33. Inhaling 33, exhaling 33, inhaling 32, exhaling 32, inhaling 31, and exhaling 31. Continue all the way to 0. If you drift to sleep or lose count, please start again at 33. the mind on the breath, counting, absorbed in your breathing, observing the ebbing and flowing of your breath like the sea. Bring to mind gratitude. Deeply embody the gratitude that you have for yourself and all your gifts. Allow yourself to plant a seed of gratitude in this practice and feel it grow. Feeling it grow once we've even finished our practice. Start to externalize your experience. Feel the weight of your body on the floor, your heels, your calves, buttocks, upper back, back of the arms, and back of the head. Feel the texture of your clothes touching your body. And feel the physical movement of your breath. From this place of stillness, openness, and full rest, start to add very gentle movement here. Moving your nose and your toes and your fingers. Move your jaw and your feet and your hands. Very gently move your head from side to side. Wake yourself up with a deep breath in and a full breath out. As you are ready, open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is complete.